Today we're going to make a super fabulous tastiest dish, but with the leftover veg biryani. Yesterday this friend of mine Subbaramaya, who participated in MasterChef USA and was in top 5, for him we cooked some good food. So this is the leftover vegetable biryani from that. So what I'm doing is I'm breaking 3 eggs and making a paneer like cubes with vegetable biryani and eggs. So break in the egg, add leftover vegetable biryani, preferably lot of veggies along with some nice, the flavor is so good, I'm telling you, in this dish this will just rock. And the rice, mix this vegetable biryani along with the eggs and we're going to make a paneer like cubes. I'm adding some ghee, my vegetable biryani and egg mixture. Spread it but not very thin, just make it into a kind of a square. On a slow flame, put the lid on and let it cook on a slow flame. You can cook it on both sides or even on one side is okay. You can take a pizza slicer and just cut this into the cubes the way you want. Cook it on the other side. Just transfer these paneer like pieces onto a plate. Spinach and other greens which are very popularly available anyway we use. But if possible at home, try and grow some of these mustard greens and other things which are very easy to grow. More greens you use, more mightier is. Today we do not have power, but still we are trying to make a recipe here. And add some of the cumin seed, garlic. Whenever I use greens, I use lot of garlic, pinch of turmeric, and now cook all of this along with the cumin seeds. Add some chopped tomatoes, water. Let this cook for 2 minutes. With many greens, I love little bit of nutmeg powder, some chopped green chilies, mustard greens and spinach. Also add very little salt and let these greens cook. We added some water. Let some of this moisture escape and get this saag ready to be eaten with veg biryani and egg cut into cubes. Look at this. Slowly the moisture is evaporated, the tomatoes have cooked and nice aroma coming from garlic. Look at the amount of garlic in this. That's it. Just take this saag. This is vegetable biryani egg cubes and the saag on top. I'm sweating because there's no power here, but this is something. Wow. The leftover biryani, whether it is veg, chicken or anything, you can modify it into the nice paneer like cubes with eggs and then with a saag or anything that is really nutritious, top it up and you have absolutely boomba thing to eat.